You think you know me.
Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Christopher David Lawson of NEPA. If this is your first time here, thank you for stopping by and watching the video. Today I'm doing a review of the Naenka Lite Bluetooth 5.0 waterproof earbuds. These earbuds are currently on sale on their website for $39.99, regularly $59.99. I will leave a link in the description below. And I also wanted to tell you too, if you're interested in buying these, you can get them for 17% off right now if you use the code CDLofNEPA. Let's go ahead and open these up. First we'll show you what's in the package. It's really nice packaging on this. This is almost looks like some kind of jewelry. You know, this would make a nice gift just the way it comes. We'll go ahead and open up the box. I did open this up previously just to get the product charged up. Okay, I got everything out of the case. Here are the earbuds inside their storage and charging case. The earbuds will play for 4 to 5 hours on a single charge. The case will actually charge these for 3 to 4 times before you need to charge it again with the USB-C cable. And they actually claim that if you charge the earbuds for at least 15 minutes, you'll get about 30 minutes of playing time roughly. There's also LEDs on the case to tell you how much of a charge is in the device and in the charging case. The instructions come in several languages so you know how to connect to your Bluetooth device, and of course the earbuds have to pair to each other. There's a microphone actually built into the left earbud, so you could use these for listening to music, phone calls, etc. I'll go ahead and open these up. We're going to see how easy it is to get them set up with my phone. Okay, the first thing you want to do is make sure the Bluetooth is turned off on your device. In this case, I'm using my Android phone. Go ahead and open up the case. They power on. Waiting for them to pair to themselves. Doing this in real time. The earbuds are paired to themselves. Let's go ahead and try to link this up to my phone now. See if the Bluetooth actually connects as one device, not two. Waiting for them to pair. It says available devices Naenka Lite. Still waiting for them to pair. It says, do you want to pair with the Naenka Lite? It sounds like they are paired. Bluetooth pairing. The volume just came up on my phone. Okay, to control your Bluetooth device, you can go ahead and play music by tapping the right earbud twice. That went ahead and started my Amazon Music. Or you could do right or left for that. I'll actually tap twice. That paused my music. I'll go ahead and start my music again. Like I said, you could do either earbud for start and stop your music. I'll tap twice again. That started my Amazon Music up again. If you want to skip to the next track, you hit your right earbud and hold it. That skipped to the next song on my Amazon playlist. If you want to rewind it, tap your left earbud and hold it. That restarted the song again. And then if you want to increase your volume, you tap the right one once. Volume up, volume up, volume up. As high as you want to have your volume, or if you want to turn it down, you tap once, volume down, volume down, volume down. And basically that's how you control it. That is for just your music playing. There are separate instructions for answering phone calls and not answering phone calls. But if you decide to buy this device, you can see all this in the instructions. Okay, I'm going to end my review by describing how everything sounds. Obviously, like I said, I can't play it so you can hear it through the earbuds. But I'm going to go ahead and turn the volume up on these. I would say they have a really good sound to them. There's some decent bass for some earbuds. Especially in this price range, it's not too bad. I can say the quality of the sound is very crystal clear. Like they said, it's Bluetooth, works really well with my phone. You could probably pair it with a tablet or any other Bluetooth device. like your laptop, for example, if you're going to do a live stream. Okay, everybody, I'm going to finish up my review here of the Naenka Lite Bluetooth earbuds. Like I said, they're 5.0 Bluetooth. Currently selling for $39.99, regularly listed at $59.99. You can get the discount, like I said, if you put in CDLofNEPA for a 17% discount. So far, I really like them. I said, you know, the volume's really good on them. Obviously, you're not going to be able to tell unless you buy them for yourself and try them out. Unfortunately, when you do an earbud review, it's kind of hard to tell, you know, for you to hear what it sounds like. But from my honest review, they have a really nice crystal clear sound, decent amount of bass for an earbud. Based off so far being the ease of control and the sound quality and everything, I think I would actually give these 5 out of 5 stars. They're really nice earbuds. I think you could actually get them in black too. I know they have them in black on the website, not just white if you're not interested in white. Like I said, 5 out of 5 stars, and you get a discount on them now if you order them. I'll put a link in the description, everything below. Like I said, put CDLofNEPA and you get 17% off the already sale price. But thanks for tuning in. Thanks for checking out my review. Check out some of my other videos. I do moto vlogs, product reviews, home improvement. I'm kind of all over the place. But I enjoy doing YouTube, so thanks for tuning in. Hit that subscribe, hit the thumbs up. Go order a pair of Bluetooth earbuds if you're interested in this. Bye for now.